Hello everyone, and in today's video we will be covering the topic feeding and eating disorders from your class 12 chapter 4 psychological disorders. So these are the group of disorders which are of special interest to young people, which are the eating disorders. So there is a group of mental health problems that are very common in young people, okay? And these are called eating disorders, where people have unhealthy habits with food. Now, these problems are not just about food only, they are about how a person feels about their body and self image. Okay, so it includes, or there are three main types of eating disorders: anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and binge eating. So, first, let's start with anorexia nervosa. So, in anorexia nervosa, the individual has a distorted body image that leads her or him to see herself or himself as overweight. ओके, सो एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा में क्या होता है कि जो इंडिविजुअल है, ठीक है, दे लुक इन द मिरर एंड दे थिंक दैट दे आर फैट इवन इफ दे आर वेरी थिन. तो उनको अपने बारे में ऐसा लगता है कि उनकी जो बॉडी इमेज है, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर वेट है. So, for example, a girl who is already underweight refuses to eat because she thinks she looks fat. Okay, and often refusing to eat, तो वो मना कर देते हैं even when they're hungry to eat. Exercising compulsively, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज करते हैं to burn calories. And third is that they develop unusual habits. अजीब सी habits develop कर लेते हैं. For example, they would avoid eating in front of others. Okay, so a boy may run for 2 hours even if he only ate an apple all day. So the person with anorexia nervosa, right, because this disorder is very dangerous, the person can become extremely thin, weak, and may even die from not eating enough. Now this is a real fact that I'm telling you, that there are some models and celebrities who have faced this problem because of the pressure to stay skinny. So this was about anorexia nervosa. बस इतना सही है बुक में कि the person जो है, जिसको भी ये disorder होगा, will find himself or herself as overweight, and so they will refuse to eat food, they will exercise a lot, and this disorder then becomes very dangerous because they will become very thin, they will become very weak, and may even die. Second is bulimia nervosa. So the individual may eat excessive amounts of food, then purge her or his body of food by using medicines such as laxatives or diuretics by vomiting. So basically, the people who have bulimia, they eat a lot of food. बहुत सारा food खाते हैं and very quickly. इस चीज़ को हम binging भी बोलते हैं. Now, अब उन्होंने खाना खा लिया बहुत सारा, अब उनको गिल्टी फील होगा. अरे यार, मैंने इतना खाना क्यों खा लिया, मैं I'll gain a lot of weight. So they feel guilty. So now to get rid of this guilt and to get rid of the food, what they will do, वो vomit करेंगे ताकि वो food जो है बाहर आ जाए जितना भी उन्होंने खाया है. They will use medicines, जैसे कि जो laxatives होता है. Laxatives is a medicine which is used to empty the stomach. So for example, a girl she's going to eat 6 burger in one sitting, and then she's going to go to the washroom and make herself vomit because she feels guilty. And the person here often feels disgusted and ashamed when she or he binges, and is relieved of tension and negative emotions after purging. तो इतना सारा खाना खाने के बाद the person is definitely going to feel ashamed, क्योंकि उसको disorder है ना, वो sad हुआ है, वो angry भी हो सकता है. But when they vomit or purge, they will feel relieved for a while and they will get rid of the negative emotions. So here, this habit is not at all healthy, and it becomes a cycle that is very hard to break. Third is binge eating. Now in binge eating, what happens, there are frequent episodes of out of control eating. मतलब इस disorder में इंसान इतना कुछ खा लेगा and they will not even stop when full. They will keep eating too much food and they would not stop even when their stomach is full. They will eat pizza, burger, fries, popcorn, coke, everything at once, all at once. Now, the individual tends to eat at a higher speed than normal and continues eating till she or he feels uncomfortably full. means they're going to eat very very fast until the stomach hurts, and they will still don't feel like to stop. Okay, they would be like, I'm too full but I can't stop eating. In fact, a large amount of food may be eaten when the individual is not feeling hungry. So they eat when they're not hungry. Why? It could be because of stress, it could be because of boredom or emotions. Like you're watching TV and you're finishing a whole packet of chips and ice cream just because you're sad. So that is binge eating, and definitely this is a disorder that you need to understand. So anorexia में what happens, they that did not eat, खाना ही खाना छोड़ देते हैं. And so why क्यों नहीं खाते? Because they think that they are fat or they are overweight. बुलीमिया में क्या होता है, they eat a lot of food, उसके बाद उन्हें लगता है उनको there's a feeling of guilt that they feel, and then just to get rid of this negative emotion they're gonna purge. ठीक है, so they're gonna vomit and they may take help of the medicines like laxative or diuretics. Right? Binge eating में they're gonna eat a lot of food even when they're not hungry or they are full. So that was all about this particular disorder. Thank you.